Welcome to Peppy Animals. Sing, learn, and play with your favorite furry friend.
Peppy Animals, let's sing and play and learn it all. Animals.
Look, I got fresh veggies. Let's cook and celebrate our friendship party. Yeah, puppy, I do the decorations work. Okay. Puppy, let's celebrate this party grandly with all our Peppy Animals friends. Wow, great idea. I'll cook more food for everyone. Mostly we are done with all the cooking, include the soup. Let's set everything on the table. Everything is ready. Let's make this the tastiest friendship party ever. Wow!
The moon is high, the stars shine bright. It's dinner time on friendship night. We sit together side by side with yummy food and hearts so wide. Let's eat and giggle, munch and cheer. All my best friends are right here, sharing love and tasty treats under the sky where friendship meets. Rice and curry, roti too, juice and fruits in red and blue. Poppy serves with happy paws, squirrel claps with big applause. Let's eat and giggle, munch and cheer. All my best friends are right here, passing plates and singing loud. Friendship makes us feel so proud. Good food, good friends, good night. Happy Friendship Day to all, sleep tight.
Hello friends, thanks for watching.
Peppy Animals, let's sing and play and learn it all. Animals.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment a heart.